Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay allow seamless smartphone mirroring in your Renault Megane 4 from 2016 to present. Enjoy hands-free calling, navigation, music, and app access without cables. This video guides you through setup, key features, and troubleshooting tips for a cable-free experience. The Easy Link infotainment system is required for wireless functionality. To use wireless Android Auto or CarPlay in your Megane 4, first check that your vehicle has the Easy Link infotainment system. The Easy Link system is standard on Megane 4 models from 2021 onwards and can be updated on earlier models through Renault's over-the-air updates. For Android Auto wireless functionality, your smartphone must be running Android 10 or later. For Apple CarPlay Wireless, your iPhone must have iOS 14 or higher installed. Finally, ensure your Easy Link system is updated to firmware version 3.0 or later. You can check for updates through Renault's official channels. Verifying these compatibility requirements will help you set up wireless connectivity smoothly. First, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. In your Megane 4's Easy Link system, select Phone, then Add Phone. Choose your phone from the list. A pairing code will appear on both devices. Confirm the code. Next, connect your phone to the car's Wi-Fi hotspot. Enable wireless mode in your phone's Android Auto or CarPlay settings, and select the car from the infotainment screen. This initial setup takes 2 to 5 minutes. Wireless connectivity brings several key features that make driving more convenient and safer. Hands-free calling allows you to make and receive calls through the car's system without touching your phone. Integrated navigation uses Google Maps or Apple Maps, displaying turn-by-turn directions directly on the car's screen. Seamless music streaming lets you play Spotify or Apple Music through the car's speakers with full control. Voice assistants like Google Assistant or Siri respond to your commands for navigation, music, and more. Wireless connectivity eliminates cable clutter and provides automatic connections after initial setup. Safety features include driver distraction alerts to help keep your focus on the road. If you encounter connection problems, start by disabling VPNs on your phone to ensure a stable connection. Ensure both your phone and the Easy Link system are on the same Wi-Fi band, either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz for compatibility. Keep your Android Auto or CarPlay app updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. For persistent issues, try resetting the infotainment system via the car's service menu, or consult the Renault Digital Assistant app for further assistance. Wireless mode may slightly increase battery drain on your phone. Ensure your phone has at least 50% charge for long drives. While latency is minimal under 1 second in 2026 iterations, some users might notice a slight delay compared to wired connections. Optimize phone settings to minimize background app activity. For older Megane 4 models from 2016 to 2020, particularly those with R-Link 2 infotainment systems, native wireless Android Auto and CarPlay support is not available. These systems require wired connections, but you can retrofit wireless capability using third-party adapters like CarLinkit or AA Wireless. These dongles plug into your car's USB port and enable wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, providing a cable-free experience. Setup is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. However, be aware that full wireless functionality may be limited without hardware upgrades, as these adapters work around the car's original limitations. Expect ongoing improvements in wireless connectivity, with Renault potentially integrating its systems more deeply with platforms like Google's Automotive OS in future models. Stay tuned for over-the-air OTA updates to your Easy Link system, enhancing compatibility and adding new features. As technology evolves, maintaining up-to-date software ensures a seamless and secure wireless experience.